Hi friends, now we are going to see the problems based on Venn diagrams. Now we have to find the number of positive integers up to 100, number of positive integers up to 100 which are not which are which are not divisible by which are not divisible by 2, 3 and 5. We need to find the number of positive integers of 100, positive integers up to 100 which are not divisible by 2, 3 and 5. Now let's see, let us total total number of total number total number of numbers divisible by 2 up to 100 is equal to 50, right? Let's see here another one. Total number of numbers divisible by 3 up to 100 is equal to 3. Okay, now another one. Total number of numbers divisible by 5 up to 100 is equal to 20. Okay, another one. Total number of numbers divisible by 2 and 3, that is 6, right? 2 into 3 6 up to 100 is equal to 16. Again another one. Total number of numbers divisible by 3 and 5, that is 15 up to 100 is equal to 2, right? 100 is equal to 2, 100 is equal to 6. Next, another one. Total number of numbers divisible by 2 and 5 2 into 5 10 up to 100 is equal to 10. Another one. Total number of numbers divisible by 30. Total number of divisible by 30. Sorry, total number of numbers divisible by 2, 3, 5, that is 2 3s are 6, 6 5 are 30, right? 30 up to 100 is equal to 3. Right now we have to find the problems. Now see here that the total number of here which are not divisible by 2, 3 and 5. Here 2, 3, 5 are common factors. Using 2, 3, 5 we need to draw a Venn diagram, right? Number of positive integers up to 100 which are not divisible by 2, 3, 5, right? Okay, 2, 3, 5. Okay, now draw a Venn diagram here. Draw a Venn diagram here. Up to 100, right? That it is divisible by 2, divisible by 3, divisible by 5. Okay, 2, 3 and 5. Let us take it as 2, it is take it as 3 and it is take it as 5. Let's see here the total numbers divisible by 2, 3, 5, that is equal to 30. Up to 100 is equal to 3. the number 235 divisible up to 100 is equal to 3. Now 2లో డివిజబుల్ అవుతుంది, 3లో డివిజబుల్ అవుతుంది, 5లో డివిజబుల్ అవుతుంది. అది ఎక్కడ రాసుకుంటాం? ఇక్కడ రాసుకుంటాం 3లో, రైట్. హియర్ 2లో డివిజబుల్ అవుతుంది 3, 2, 3, 5 are divisible up to 100 is equal to 3 times. That we have right here, we write 3 here. Now we have to write the total number that is divisible in both the sections, that is divisible in both the sections, that is 2 and 5. Now we have to write divisible in 2 and 5, up to 100 is equal to 10. 2 and 5 up to 100 is equal to 10. 2 and 5 up to 100 is equal to 10. It is divisible in both the sections, right? 2 and 5 already ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 7. నా ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనము ఏం చేద్దామంటే మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ 3 and 5 సెక్షన్స్ divisible by 3 and 5. ఈ 3 and 5లో divisible అయ్యేది ఏంటి? అప్ టు 100 is equal to 6 times. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ 3 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 3 రాసుకున్నాం. అలాగే ఇప్పుడు 2 and 3 that is 6 up to divisible by 100 is equal to 16 times. 16 times కాబట్టి 2 and 3 is equal to ఎంత వస్తుంది? 13 వస్తుంది. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16, రైట్. ఇప్పుడు ఇది అయిపోయింది. Now total number of numbers divisible by 5 up to 100 is equal to 20, right. 100 is equal to 20. Now here see here 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 13. 20 minus 13 is equal to 7, right. Now we got the answer here 7. Now total numbers divisible by 3 up to 100 is equal to 3 times, right. Divisible by 3 is equal to up to 3 times. Now we will get the answer here. Now see here, here the value is 33, okay. 13 plus 3 is 19. 19 plus 14 is equal to 33, right. Now get the value here 33. Now the 2 is divisible up to 100 is equal to 50 times, right. 2 50s are 100, right. Now here 7 plus 3 plus 9, 3 plus 3 7 20 23. 23 minus 50 is equal to 27, right. 27. Now we got all the values. Now we should add all the values in the 3 Venn diagrams. Now we are going to add all the 3 values in the Venn diagram. 27 plus 13 plus 14 plus 7 plus 3 plus 3 plus 7 is equal to, we get like this, 7 plus 3 7, 6 plus 14 20, that for total we will get 74. The value we get here is 74. Now the total numbers that is not divisible by 2, 3 and 5 is, total numbers that is divisible by 2, 3 and 5 is 74. 74 times it will divisible by 2, 3 and 5. Now we have to find out which are not divisible by 2, 3 and 5. Right, now which is not divisible by 2, 3 and 5. Now we have to take 100. Number of positive integers is equal to 100 minus number of divisible values of 2, 3 and 5 are 74 is equal to 26. Now we got the answer here, which are not divisible by 2, 3 and 5 is 26. ఇక్కడ మనకి మొత్తము 2, 3, 5 74 times divisible అయింది. ఇక్కడ 2, 3, 5 26 times నాట్ డివిజబుల్ అయింది, అంటే 26 times డివిజబుల్ కాదు, 74 times డివిజబుల్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఆన్సర్. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe.